Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome back to the Renko Trading channel. Before we start, this content is for educational and experimental purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Most traders know chart patterns, but on Renko charts, those same patterns become cleaner, simpler, and often more reliable. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 of the most powerful Renko chart patterns, and exactly how to trade them, including entries, stops, targets, and common mistakes to avoid. Before we get into the patterns, 2 quick reminders. First, brick size matters. Use an ATR-based method to keep your charts adaptive. Second, always wait for a confirmed brick. That's the close beyond a boundary that tells you the breakout is real. Both of these make Renko patterns far more objective. Pattern 1, the double top or double bottom. This is a 2-swing reversal with a clear neckline in the middle. You recognize it when price forms 2 similar highs or lows. Entry comes only after a close beyond the neckline, confirmed with the next brick. Stops go 1 to 2 bricks beyond the invalidation point, and targets project the height of the pattern from the neckline break. Avoid jumping in early while price is still inside the range. Pattern 2, wedges. Falling wedges tend to be bullish, while rising wedges tend to be bearish. Recognition comes from converging swings. For a falling wedge, wait for a breakout above the upper line with a confirmed brick. Stops belong 1 or 2 bricks back inside the wedge. Targets can be conservative, at the last swing, or more aggressive, projecting the wedge's full height. For extra confidence, add momentum or volume confirmation. Pattern 3, flags. These are continuation patterns. A strong move, called the pole, is followed by a tight channel against the trend. Entry comes on the breakout of the flag in the pole's direction. Stops go just back inside the flag. Targets use the measured length of the pole. The key mistake to avoid is trading flags that form after a long, overextended run with no pause. Those are usually traps. Pattern 4, head and shoulders. This is a classic reversal with 3 swings, the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, anchored by a neckline. Entry comes only after the neckline breaks with a confirmed brick. Stops belong just beyond the right shoulder. Targets measure the distance from the head to the neckline and project it downward, or upward if you're trading the inverse head and shoulders. Avoid entering before a clean neckline break, especially if the neckline is sloping. Pattern 5, the triple top or triple bottom. Think of it as an extended range test. After 3 clear tests of the same level, the breakout beyond the range often signals a strong reversal. Entry comes on the close and confirmed brick beyond the range. Don't trade it too early, wait for 3 solid tests before committing. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison of all 5 Renko patterns. Notice how entries always depend on a confirmed brick, and invalidation comes when price closes back inside the structure. So that's a quick look at how the main Renko patterns compare side by side. But here's the thing, recognizing the pattern is usually the easy part. The real difference comes from what we do after we spot it. So let me wrap this up with the 3 golden rules I always follow when trading Renko setups. Rule number 1, confirm brick entry. Don't chase the first breakout. Wait for that clean confirmed brick that closes beyond the pattern. That's your green light. Rule number 2, stop placement. Always protect your downside. Put your stop beyond the invalidation level or at the key swing point, wherever the pattern truly fails. And rule number 3, ride the trend. Once you're in, don't rush to take profits too early. Set your target, sure, but let the trend play out. Follow the bricks until the structure really changes. Stick with these 3 rules, and you'll trade Renko patterns with a lot more clarity and confidence. That's your crash course on the 5 most powerful Renko chart patterns. If you found this helpful, check out my other Renko videos on brick size, buy and sell signals, and indicators. That's a wrap on today's breakdown. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more Renko trading insights. Don't forget the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.